Rejection can be a tough pill to swallow, but how you handle it speaks volumes about your character. For many men, silence after rejection isn't just a coping mechanism, it's a calculated move rooted in self-respect and emotional discipline. What's surprising is how this silence can spark curiosity, introspection, and even frustration in women. Why is that? What psychological factors are at play? In this article, we delve into the intriguing dynamics of rejection, silence, and perception, unraveling how these actions tap into human nature and modern relationships. By blending insights from women's psychology with timeless principles of stoicism, we'll explore why your silence might be driving her crazy, and how understanding this can lead to better self-awareness and stronger connections. The psychology behind silence and emotional impact often loses its value. Silence, however, can speak volumes. Lesson number 1 creates a sense of mystery and curiosity by stepping back and not always being available. You give her the space to reflect on your absence. This isn't about ignoring her or playing hard to get in a manipulative way. It's about showing that you have a life beyond her. Engage in activities that make you happy. Focus on personal growth and invest time in your hobbies. When she notices that you're no longer at her beck and call, she'll start to miss the attention and effort you once gave her. She'll wonder what you're up to. And this curiosity can reignite her interest. The power of silence lies in its ability to make her realize what she's missing. It shifts the dynamic and makes her appreciate your presence more. When you do interact too. Rediscover your passions next. Rediscover your passions, often in relationships. We tend to neglect our interests and hobbies. Now is the perfect time to reconnect with what you love. Whether it's painting, playing a sport, or learning a new language, immerse yourself in activities that bring you joy. Not only will this make you happier, but it will also make you more attractive. Passion is magnetic. When you're genuinely excited about something, it shows. Share these moments, such utterly on social media or with mutual friends. Let her see that you're living a full, interesting life. This can trigger a fear of missing out, FOMO, in her mind. She'll start to miss the vibrant, passionate person she fell for by focusing on your own happiness and growth. You become more self-assured and appealing, making her realize the value you bring to her life. 3. Improve your physical and mental well-being. Improving your physical and mental being is crucial. Start by setting goals for yourself. Whether it's getting in better shape, eating healthier, or practicing mindfulness. Physical changes can be very. How women perceive silence in relationships noticeable and often spark curiosity and admiration when she sees you taking care of yourself and looking your best. It can trigger a realization of what she's missing out on. Mental well-being is equally important. Work on building a positive mindset, practicing gratitude and reducing stress. A confident, happy individual is incredibly attractive. This isn't just about looking good, but feeling good from within. When you're mentally and physically healthy, you exude a natural confidence that can draw her back to you. She'll notice the changes and start to miss the positive energy you bring into her life. 4. Be mysterious, but genuine. Being mysterious, yet genuine, can be a powerful combination. You don't have to reveal everything about yourself. Keep some aspects of your life private. This doesn't mean being secretive or deceptive, but rather maintaining an air of mystery. Lesson number 2, don't share every detail. It leaves room for curiosity. She'll start to wonder what you're up to, what you're thinking, and what exciting things might be happening in your life. However, while being mysterious, it's important to remain genuine. Authenticity is key in any relationship. When you do share parts of your life, be honest and real. This balance between mystery and authenticity can be very attractive. It shows that you're an interesting person with depth, Someone worth getting to know more intimately should miss the unique combination of mystery and authenticity that you bring into the relationship. 5. Socialize and expand your circle. Socializing and expanding your social circle is another effective strategy. Meet new people, make new friends, and engage in social activities. This can be through joining clubs, attending events, or simply hanging out with friends more often. When she sees you surrounded by new people and having fun, it can trigger feelings of jealousy and longing. She'll miss being part of your social life and stoic approach to rejection, inner calm, and resilience. The fun times you shared. Additionally, expanding your circle can lead to new opportunities and experiences, making your life more exciting and fulfilling. This in turn makes you more attractive as you become someone who is constantly growing and evolving. She'll miss the dynamic social side of you and may want to be part of your vibrant social life. Again, 6. Show emotional resilience. Last show, emotional resilience. Breakups or periods of distance can be tough, but how you handle them can make big difference. Instead of showing despair or desperation, demonstrate strength and resilience. Focus on your personal growth and handle the situation with grace. This can be very attractive and can make her rethink her decision. Emotional lesson. 3. Resilience shows that you're capable of handling challenges and that you have a strong character. It shows that you're not dependent on her for your happiness, which can be very appealing when she sees you thrive. Despite the distance, she'll start to miss your strength and the stability you brought to her life. 7. Cultivate independence and self-sufficiency. Cultivating independence and self-sufficiency is a crucial step in making her miss you when you're too dependent on someone else for your happiness and well-being. It can become overwhelming and unattractive. By focusing on becoming more independent, you not only improve your own life, but also show her that you are a strong, capable individual. Start by setting personal goals and working towards achieving them on your own. This could be related to your career, education, or personal development. The more you achieve on your own, the more confident and self-reliant you become. Independence is highly attractive because it shows that you're capable of taking care of self and don't need someone else to complete you. When she sees you thriving independently, she'll start to miss the confident and capable person you are. She'll realize that being with someone who doesn't rely on her for real-life examples of silence and its effects. Everything is refreshing and desirable. 8. Display genuine kindness and empathy. Displaying genuine kindness and empathy can make a significant impact, often in the rush of everyday life. We forget the importance of being kind and empathetic towards others. Show her that you care about her feelings and experiences. Even if you're not constantly in touch, reach out with thoughtful gestures or kind words, but don't overdo it. It's about balance, being there when it truly matters. Genuine kindness is rare and memorable. When she experiences your kindness, she'll start to miss the warmth and comfort you bring into her life. Life empathy also means understanding her perspective and emotions. By showing that you can empathize with her feelings, you create a deeper connection. This emotional connection action can be incredibly powerful and make her long for the supportive and understanding person you are. 9. Maintain a positive and optimistic outlook. Maintaining a positive and optimistic outlook is vital in making her miss you. Positivity is infectious and can significantly influence how others perceive you. When you maintain an optimistic attitude, even in challenging situations, it shows resilience and strength. People are naturally drawn to positivity because it. Summary. Silence, as a symbol of strength, brings light and hope into their lives. Make a conscious effort to focus on the good things in life. Express gratitude and keep a hopeful outlook on the future. Share your positive experiences and achievements, and avoid dwelling on negativity or past mistakes. When she sees you consistently looking on the bright side and finding joy in life, she'll start to miss your uplifting energy. Your positivity can be a breath of fresh air that wants to be around. She'll realize that being with someone who can find the silver lining in any situation is not only inspiring, but also comforting. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey to discover the ways to make any girl miss you terribly. We've explored powerful strategies that go beyond mere tactics. They're about self-improvement and genuine connection. By embracing silence, rediscovering your passions, improving your well-being, being mysterious yet genuine, expanding your social circle, showing emotional resilience, cultivating independence, displaying kindness, and maintaining a positive outlook, you can transform your relationships and your life. Conclusion. Silence after rejection can have a profound psychological impact, often leaving women puzzled, intrigued, or unsettled. This reaction stems from the human tendency to seek closure and clarity in relationships. When you maintain composure and embrace silence as a response, it conveys emotional maturity, self-respect, and confidence, traits associated with the modern Stoic mindset. By not reacting impulsively or pleading for validation, you create an aura of mystery that challenges assumptions and encourages introspection. This approach not only respects the rejection, but also establishes your boundaries, fostering healthier dynamics. Ultimately, silence is a powerful tool, not to manipulate or confuse, but to preserve your dignity and demonstrate resilience. It sends a message: rejection does not define your worth, and your self-possession will always speak louder than words.